Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, recently I getting one comment in my channel. Not for one, they're asking for a lot of people one question here. So you are maintaining a lot of websites and everything. So suppose I'm maintaining a website will be Telugu content. So how we can do the SEO? The first question. So how we can optimize from the URL structure? So if you come into the one kind of news portal, in the news or beauty tips, here people will be read here. The option will be Telugu news, like kind of milk is in this. Well, I'm clicking in this option. Now, compulsory read here. They will be called about is saying about milk, but content will be Telugu. They promote here proven healthy benefit of milk, but the creating content will be in English with your structure. So structuring is URL will be English, not for the Telugu. So you can writing in Telugu title and description everything, but your structure will be give the complete will be English is better. Suppose you can give by Telugu, this completely misunderstanding for your complete your website. So what are the you can give the title any option like you can give the SEO title, description, keyword or anything you can give the by Telugu. But the major key point is called what are the structuring URL? It will be English. In this purpose, I will take some health tips of the in this option. So just I'm taking this description, some other website into the Telugu content. This is will be writing for how to clean body detox drinks. So this will be content. I have to use this will be title will be. So how will be clean your body of the using for to retrieve your health something like they were writing Telugu. So in this option, how you can upload the content on your website. So guys, nowadays your title SEO title completely different. Title will be people will be understanding for search engine purpose. But SEO title will be we can search engine for the way into the Google search engine purpose. Now here I'm selecting the my website. I'm selecting one of the website. Here either one of the health tips is there. I'm writing most of the Telugu English. So here one more option is there. So I can writing Telugu English both are flexible compulsory. In this purpose we have to use option name is called Google Translate. Which one? Google Translate. So what are the content you have? Copy the complete content in this. This will be Telugu. That will be English. So yeah, done. So first of all, we can using Notepad is better to proper containing purpose. But if it is coming for content will be this. So what are the content you can copy from anywhere? First of all, use the Notepad is the keyboard method. This is a compulsory keep it on your mind. So now I'm starting here. First admin. So I can log in everything will be into the admin panel here. Why I'm using for admin panel? So easily I can upload the content into the my website. So first to post. This is the first title. Title will be nothing but your structure. The structure data creating purpose. Not only this one, any kind of website will be here. This is any content you will be creating for Telugu, but showing the users, but they're writing for here English. Structure is understanding only for English is better. Don't writing for Telugu titles. So now I'm using for English title as a URL structure purpose. Okay. Now we'll be adding for in this health tips. After that, here we can writing for content. Content will be here. I'm using for English and Telugu also. Why am I writing for both? People read will be different mindset is there. So that is reason I'm adding for English and Telugu. So some people asking one question. So Google Translator, if you are translate by the Telugu to English, is everything is correct or anything wrong? Nothing wrong. Everything is the correct method. No worry about the particular option. After this one, so I writing for small title. So here, few people asking one question, sir, how we can find out this kind of English questions? So first of all, what are the concept you design? That is a major key point. That is a major key point. So that is called, here I'm writing for in this much of characters not required in this. So when using for notepad, this will be up to 88 characters. So here will be, you can go to 81, 88. So this will be, we can use this option. After that, we can using for same will be a description with the two options. What are the two options I'm writing will be English also. So I'm writing for keyword. Anyone writing will be here. Health tips, health benefits in Telugu. So guys, one thing I remember, what are the content you can post? Nobody can ask, but people can understanding by SEO perfect URL structure. Everyone say about that you can add anything, you can by promoting. Okay, how will be promoting your content will be? Content is not a big task, but writing skills is more important. Your title, SEO title completely different. See, if you are go to the Facebook option, you can comment me on my Facebook, this Rakesh. I will be tell you the every screenshot. So a lot of people sending the message to my Facebook also in Telugu. But I can understand, I'll reply by everything by into Telugu also. See, people will be posting this option. This is Telugu content. See, they will adding for two kind of things. Which one? Telugu and English. People can reading Telugu and English. Suppose if I'm adding for here, title will be here. Done. So this is the same will be, you can use the images. So we can using, so you can, how we can cleaning body is there, we can using body as stomach, we can use anything option will be here. So that option will be using for the particular things. So a lot of people are, most of the people reading purpose, they're using for Telugu content also. See this. If I'm click this option like V6, see the URL structure will be English, not for Telugu. Only will be content will be Telugu can understand, people will be read. There is a social media or search engine optimization. Most of the Telugu content people is using for social media option. But compulsory URL structure will be dependent by the both. So that is purpose we can use common keywords are mandatory. So what are the content you can post? Latest news, latest bulletin, or any kind of information you can add on the particular option. So there is a major key point on your particular things. So in your add your image, the English or Telugu option. So now I'm adding for image. Image how we can prepare using for Canva option. I can prepare the images. I'm not using kind of any Photoshop Corel. I don't know about that. Cycle will be create by using Canva option. Now I'm creating image here. So here I will prepare the image. Just you can download it. After download image, choose file here. We can download here. A particular document will be select. Your structure in your title and description here. After posting the content into the search engine, I'll show you the how it's showing for social media also. Click for submit. Now, people come into health tips information here. So here, I'm facing for the image problem here. First, I can fix the image it. So here, first I'm fix the image here. Image optimized. Previous not showing image. Click for image. Now click for here. Any people will be suggest the showing for here. How to clean your body. So in the remaining will be Telugu here. The people will come into here. The read content will be Telugu and English option also. But your structure will be compulsory decided by the English option. That will be compulsory. We can keep it on the English. Suppose if I'm sharing for anything will be Facebook. First compulsory dot will be there. So I will be sharing for your Facebook option. So content will be does not change. See this. How to clean body. So remaining will be Telugu. So where it will be posting for social media purpose. It will be posting for social media purpose. Nowadays, people not searching for Telugu content. They will searching for English and Telugu, writing for both. So some people will be searching for health benefits Telugu. People writing here. Ginger health benefits. Allam walla. That means Telugu will be writing here. See here, breakfast health benefits. See here. So there are people writing for both English and Telugu. Why they writing for both will be to people understanding for scenario. So that is called your structure and your title will be completely different. So when I open here, this will be English, but title will be Telugu and English. So what I'm searching will be health benefits in Telugu. So they're using for Telugu in a particular keyword on the search engine optimization purpose. That is mean by what are the you writing for title description keyword. There's a major key point to writing for title and description keyword purpose. Don't forget add the description health tips, health benefits in Telugu. You can keep it on the description part. The people will be searching based on the keyword. They show your option how to clean body, how to clean by the human body. So the people search in different ways. So the people will be most of the SEO Telugu content is useful by the social media purpose. So search engine purpose you compulsory mentioned by the SEO title will be put on the English and to will be search results will be increased purpose and getting for more result purpose. So any kind of image you design compulsory keep it on Telugu and English also. There's a keep it on to mind to work out on the any Telugu website content your URL structure will be compulsory kept on the English. Don't use the Telugu URL structure. There's completely blunder mistakes. See any kind of Telugu contents. If you go any back, if you open any websites, the most of the people's using URL structure will be English. You can use the Telugu content. Finally, you can writing for tips will be Telugu and everything. But most of the Telugu content useful by the social media purpose. So keep it on to mind and work on the Telugu content with the perfect URL structure will be English. Is a maintain it and promote your content. As usual, you can increase your website traffic on social media and search engine based on the keyword English and Telugu option. So remaining, your process will be submitted by the SEO of page optimization. The major one, any kind of content, the first of all, don't forget it. Go to the Google Search Console option. This is a major, the option called URL inspection. If you go to this option, finalize it and requesting index and text the live URL option. So this is a method we can follow to optimize website onto the Google by using Telugu content, using Telugu title, English title, but URL structure will be always using for English URL structure. anyone looking for this kind of website, you always suggest you how we can making website in WordPress. I definitely will be support everyone into the your platforms. So anyone looking for website design, you can contact me. Definitely will be support how we making for website design to the using WordPress platform by using free domain and free hosting option. So you can like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and comment me any kind of doubts. I'll definitely will be support in a particular video about the SEO structure. Thank you. Thank you very much.